friends, how you all doing? Welcome back to TABSignatures. My name is Hayabami. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly do a very brief, very quick what's it called, unboxing of my very first Hermès. I don't know if I got that pronunciation right. Hermès. Please pardon me if I don't know how to say that right, but I just got my first Hermès product or item, and guess what it is? I know a lot of people could take a good guess, but we are here to unbox this together, okay? So come with me, let's do that. Welcome back. So this is a beautiful gift, and I'm super happy that I got this. I've actually been trying to get this for the longest now, but okay, let's just do this unboxing. I don't want to talk too much, okay? All right. I really do love their signature color, which is orange, kind of like burnt orange. I don't know, is this burnt orange? Am I colorblind? But let's but I really do love the color, actually, with brown. It's very dark brown, which is awesome. Alrighty. Gonna place that right there. What is this? Okay, this is just maybe that's the receipts, and babies here, babies home to mama. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. It's just a box. I know. I told you I love the the color combo, the dark brown and the and the orange. Okay, let's unbox. Ready? Are you ready? La 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 la. I know so many people have guessed what this is, but anyways, this is my first. Okay, it's my first. Okay, so let me enjoy it. It's my time, it's my moment. All right, so here you go. Place that right there. And what is this? I don't know. So you guessed it right. So if you guessed Oran slippers, you absolutely guessed it right. It's my oh my god, made in Italy. I love this color so much. Like the combination of the black, but with the, what is it called, like a burnt orange or brown leather at the top. It's so beautiful. It's super beautiful, guys. Like, I absolutely love it. And the leather, the quality, you could tell this is. So that's it, guys. My very first Hermès is the Oran slippers. I love it. I love the bag. Everything is so quality, Oh my god. So here you go. This is it. so you're gonna see me rock it. I'm gonna probably, you know, put maybe after this, after I hand this, I'm gonna put, you know, some ways I'm styling this beautiful slides for summer. Yeah, I love it. Do you like it? Are you a fan of, you know, round slippers? I really wanted something quality, and you know, Ups thought it would be nice to get me one for summer. So I love it. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's my beautiful slippers. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. I bring you fashion, beauty, travels, and all sort of contents, you know, all sorts. I know. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always, you know, showing love on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Do not pass this channel by without subscribing, you know. So don't forget to give this video also a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and don't forget to love and share, please, and leave your comments if you're, you know, if this is one of your what's it called, would I say a wish list. So it's been on my wish list like forever, so if this is one of your wish lists, please don't forget to do that. I love you guys. See you. Bye.